Find or read reviews that people are talking about PRETZI 43-inch electric fireplace with mantel. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Freestanding electric fireplace mantel. Experience a realistic flame effect that brings warmth and a cozy atmosphere to your home. This electric fireplace with mantel, 43.50 inch, width, 11.02 inch, depth, 33.85 inch, height. Insert, 24.41 inch, width, 5.11 inch, depth, 18.11 inch, height, is designed for convenience, featuring a button and remote control that let you switch styles without leaving your seat. Versatile functionality mantel. This dark oak color electric fireplace cabinet features a semi-open storage compartment and adjustable height open side shelves. It functions as an electric fireplace, a TV stand, and a display cabinet all in one, seamlessly complementing modern, rustic, minimalist, and farmhouse decor styles. Various flame and LED colors. This small fireplace TV stand delivers customizable ambience with 7 flame colors, paired with 5 adjustable flame speed and brightness levels, and 15 LED light colors, 14 static colors plus a 15th mode for automatic light change, allowing you to create an inviting atmosphere in your living room. Year-round use and family-safe design. The entertainment center with fireplace offers 750/1500 watts dual heating settings, warming up to 400 square feet, the ability to enjoy the flame effect without heat, and a convenient 0 to 8 hours timer for added convenience. Built-in child lock ensures safety for homes with kids and pets. Effortless assembly. All necessary hardware and a detailed instruction manual are included for a setup, typically taking 1 to 2 hours to complete. Please note, the fireplace insert and mantel are shipped in 2 separate boxes and may not arrive simultaneously. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.